What's up, guys? You will have to bear with me with this little webcam right now. I got some new software and it's not letting my nice camera connect to download to make this video, but I guess that's really not important. What's important is the content. So I want to talk you through real quickly how to set up your own automatic search on Realtor.com so that you can get notified when a new home pops up in your market. Ideally, your real estate agent will be able to do this. They'll have much better targeting tools, but if you're not working with an agent yet, or you just want to have an additional search, this is a good way to do it. So, I'm going to do some market I don't know at all. So let's do Chicago. You search, this pops up, right? Now let's say, this is really simple, right? So let's say I want multifamily homes. I want something with 2 bedrooms or more. I want something with 2 baths or more. I want to hide pending and contingent. This will save you time so you're not accidentally looking at something that's already under contract. Maybe you want to hide 55 and up community. That's a good one. You can go in. You can do existing homes, new construction, foreclosures, hide foreclosures. You could do price reduced if you want to look for homes that have price reduced. But that's what we're going to do right now. And there's more filters, right? So this you can get pretty complicated and pretty complex with this. You can go in here and you can type in like second living area, and it'll tell you if they've got results. And so what you can do is, like, if you were doing, like in my market, sometimes there's not a lot of multifamilies. So what I'll do is I'll find like a single family. I'll do like single family, and then I'll have to go in here and type in like in-law suite, mother-in-law suite, ADU, whatever, and try to find those properties that someone, maybe it's got a basement that was finished or whatever the case may be, right? So all you do is you do that, and you just click Save Search. Oh, apparently not with those. Oh, you just can't save with pending removed. So easy day. So you save the search, and then what'll happen is, let's say this new property meets the criteria and it popped up. You'll get notified via email, and then you'll get, so you'll be able to see when these things come on the market. This has been really powerful, especially with how busy the market. Some of these are really cool homes. I kind of like this style of duplex. That's cool. The point being, this is a very valuable little trick that takes you a minute or two to set up and will give you just an instant notification when something pops up on your market, so that if you've got really specific criteria, you might be able to see it first. Like, there was a property I did this on in my market this last week, had a lot of potential, and before my agent could even get into the property the next day to look at it, it was under contract. So, had I not had a alert set up, I wouldn't have even seen the home before it was under contract. So I didn't pull the trigger as fast as I probably should have, but you want to see the house first. So anyway, all that to be said, this is a very short video, and I hope this helps you out. So let me know if you got something out of it. Whoop, whoop. By the way, if you're seeing this and it's not from the email I sent out for people who we introduced to an agent and or lender, if you want an introduction, just go to FromMilitaryToMillionaire.com/VA Realtor. I'll link down below. Happy to help you out and introduce you to someone in our network.